Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this AI MultiMinds review. We're going to be taking a close look at this product, but also most importantly, I've put together some high quality custom bonuses for you to get you the best possible results. This goes live on the 4th of May by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, AI MultiMinds has combined a number of premium AI models for you to enjoy at just a one-time fee. So no monthly payments. You are still going to be getting access to premium models. Now, each of these premium models, usually you will need to pay for them monthly or annually for you to be able to enjoy them. But AI MultiMinds has actually combined all these models together for you to use and enjoy. You know that if you are going to be able to generate any decent revenue for yourself online, content is key. You will need to put out content in one way or another. Now, you don't have to be a genius and you don't have to be, a pro at this, because AI has actually made everything easy for you. Now, what you need is the determination to put out this content. And as a matter of fact, you have more than enough tools, more than enough power right here in this just one product to generate some attention grabbing, content that can really allow you to profit. So we are going to be taking a close look at this, and also I'm going to be revealing the high quality bonuses you are also going to be getting in addition to AI MultiMinds. So let's just go through some of the models you are going to be getting inside AI MultiMinds. You're going to be getting access to DeepSeek, Grok, NVIDIA, Minimax, ChatGPT 4, Cloud, DALL-E, Google Gemini, Llama, and you are going to be getting access to all these, for just that one-time low fee. So you are going to be able to save time with the revolutionary 3C tech that also comes with this. So you will be able to spend less time, tweaking and comparing results, and more time growing your business or practically, anything you're actually doing online. And of course, no technical skills is required. This is user-friendly, has a user-friendly dashboard, and makes it easy for everyone to create high-quality content with these advanced AI models. So I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while. But I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I've also put together to get you the best results with this. Now, you're going to be getting access to 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts, which gives you the best options for you to be able to prompt this AI to get the best results. 50,000 plus ChatGPT prompts, bonus number one. Now, bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to generate your own custom bonus pages. Now, just like this one, you're going to be getting access to done for you bonus page templates. You're also going to be getting access to done for you bonuses that you are going to be getting access to, and you are also going to be able to give away. Now, it also comes with free traffic from the free traffic rotator, because everybody in their own dashboard, every of the users, once you create a campaign, everyone gets access to see your campaign, to see your bonuses, and of course you can add your own bonuses as well, which is actually great. So this is a free traffic software. In my experience with affiliate marketing, if you are able to give out some high quality bonuses, you stand the chance of getting commissions, as opposed to other people who are promoting affiliate links without, offering any bonuses, or even without offering not too great bonuses. You are going to be putting yourself at an advantage using this traffic pool software, which is number two. Now, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to 700 ready-made courses and sales funnels with PLR license, meaning you can sell this as your own and keep 100% of the profit. The courses are there for you, already done for you. The sales funnels are there, already done for you. Now, all you need to do is pick whichever one you want to use, and then you get to keep 100% of the profits here. Also, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based traffic pooling software that gives you funnels. These are funnels You're also going to be getting access to done for you ebooks, which you can also create your own. You can use these funnels to give away the ebooks you are going to be getting access to. Mind you, your affiliate links are going to be embedded in these ebooks. Now you get access to quite a ton of other bonuses here. You get to launch your own product. That's bonus number 5. And then you get all the upgrades, white label access, support is done for you, so you got nothing to worry about, and a ton of other interesting bonuses you are going to be getting access to, including how to create your own website without writing a single line of code, which you can go ahead and offer this as a service to other businesses. And of course, you can create custom online websites that you can use to sell your own product, whether e-product or whether physical products or whether digital products. You will be able to create a website that allows you to do that. Now all you need to do to claim all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of AI MultiMinds, where you're going to be able to pick it up. So here it says Unfair, world's first ever multi-AI model app, combines 100 plus best leading AI models and in AI models 99% have no idea about, plus secret 3C tech for unique authentic marketing content for 10x traffic and sales. So if you are looking at doing affiliate marketing in a profitable way, generating some high quality attention grabbing content, I completely recommend you pick up AI MultiMinds. And feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. There's a ton of information right here on this sales page, so I would advise you to come check this out. So that's my review. I'm going to let you see how this works shortly. Now if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review of AI Masterminds, and I'll see you in the next.